Baby. Oh, I'm talking to you.
See me.
Look, listen to me. I love you past this earth that I'm standing on. You are very beautiful, seriously. You are so beautiful.
Sure?
Are you not from Nigeria?
So how do you know?
Nigerian ladies, forget. You are so beautiful.
Are you just
so
pulling
beautiful?
my leg? You're just pulling my legs.
Pulling your legs? With what? Look, seriously, the facials you have, the figure you have, I love you.
Just like
I don't want to date you, I want to marry you straight away.
But do you know you cannot love a person you barely know?
There is no need to know you from Adam. Look, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. I love you.
Do you know whether if there is any connection?
Connection like what? As in we linking up or what?
What do I like?
What you like, I don't care about what you like. Whether you like Eba, Egusi, whatever you like, me, I don't care.
Are you not funny?
I've always been funny.
What is my favorite
color? Forget about color. We'll talk about that one later. We are talking about your person. If you accept me now, we can think about colors and all that, okay? What is wrong? What? So that is the road. When you just take it to this road.
Oh, excuse me. Continue.
You can get the bus SB90.
Hey, you continue.
No, this one to SB90 here.
Yeah, I don't understand what is happening.
My sister, who is it?
Now me problem. Hello. I mean, you can get the bus from this.
You said you love me. He loves you.
Yeah.
I said hello.
He can even die for me.
Hello. We have another station.
Jack, the name Jack, my friend is saying. Titanic,
I don't
Wait.
I don't even know how these boys behave these days.
Look.
This boy was just proposing his love for me just now.
He's my
proposing to you.
And
No, I mean the next stop is Love Junction. You can get SB90.
But you just said that you can die for me.
Die for who?
he's
about giving me money.
Hello. Stop be on this side.
Hey, excuse me. Who are you to this guy?
He's my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
He's my boyfriend. And this is what he does all the time.
Hello.
You are not the first person that I've seen him doing
there's
this.
no
Please go.
Yeah.
Come. Let me
Wait.
You see all these boys? You see all these boys? Wait. You're too nice. Go now. Go. You're embarrassing yourself. Go. Love Junction. My dear, my name is Priscilla. What about you?
Sister,
No. Don't take this too hard. Nana. Oh my God. Wouldn't you know see if you hope you're I was on my own before this man came and It's okay. Don't just take this too hard. Men are always like that. Next time you see me and the owner, you stop me. You'll be surprised. It's okay. He's not the only man in this world. Don't take this serious.
Hey, boy, where decoding me?
See, let me just tell you something. You don't need to cast all your eggs.
Now, so
it's like he's the only guy, your boyfriend or whatever. Jesus. What kind of people is this? These mad people everywhere. Let me go, Joe.
I'm taking to one of my